Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 1 of your computer book class 2. Basically, you have studied a little of computer in the previous class. In this class, you will be learning in depth. In this class, you will be learning about computers and electronic device, the difference between the computer and the man, the advantages and disadvantages of computer. Now students, you know very well that the computer is an electronic device. It is used almost every day, and with the computer we can do many things. We can draw pictures, we can type letters, we can play games, solve sums, watch movies, cartoons and listen to music and so much more. But did you ever wonder what's the difference between a computer and a man? Well, let me tell you. The computer is very fast and it can do many jobs at the same time and at a very good speed. But a man needs more time to do any work when compared to a computer. The computer has a very good memory. It cannot forget things. It has things stored in it. While a man may forget information that is stored in his mind, a computer does not make mistake in calculation or anything. But a man can make mistakes. A computer cannot take its own decision. So the question could be, how can the computer take its decision? So the computers basically work on different steps. The computer makes the decision when the user puts in the input. The man can take his own decision. We take the decision for the computer. The computer works on the order of the man as we discussed in the previous point. While the man does not need to do any work in order. Now a computer does not have any feeling. You can pinch it, hit it, slap it or talk to it, but it won't react. While a man has feelings, when man gets hurt, the person will cry or laugh. A person has emotions. Now students, let us see about working of computer. A computer works by the order which we give. It cannot work by its own. We need to put some input like number, picture, letters or instructions to make the computer work. Now what are these letter, number or pictures? These things are called data. Now different parts of the computers you had seen a computer, right? You all have seen a computer. A computer has different parts, the monitor, the mouse, the CPU, etc. So the computer works basically on 3 different steps: the input, the processing and the output. Let us take an example of pencil. You all have a pencil, right? Now, pencil is blunt. What will you do with it? Will you continue? No. You will sharpen it. So the blunt pencil is an input, sharpening is processing, and what happens after sharpening it? We get a sharpened pencil. The pencil that comes out as sharpened is output. Now let us take another example. When you come back from school, your clothes get dirty, and what you do then? You give it to your mother to wash it. She puts it in the washing machine and the clean clothes come out. The dirty clothes was input. The processing was done in washing machine, that is process, and the clean clothes that came out is output. Now the input is the data and instructions that we enter into the computer are input. We can do input with the help of keyboard and mouse. Processing is all done in CPU. Working on the data is called processing. The CPU works on the data and does all thinking and calculation. Now output, we get the final result, that is output, and we get the output with the help of monitor and printer. Whatever is displayed on the monitor is output. Now, advantages of computer. There are many advantages of computer like teaching, speed, entertainment, calculation, electronic presentation, storage capacity, and multitasking and automation. First of all, we will take teaching. The teachers use, you all see the teachers using the internet. We all use internet. We use internet to find the information on various topics. Now, the speed of computer. The computer works very fast. It doesn't get tired. Entertainment. Entertainment is, it is a good source of entertainment. The children play games, watch movies, you can do drawing also, you can do various other work to entertain yourself. Now calculation. In computer we can do all complex calculations. The computer can perform many calculations without making any mistake. Now electronic presentation. We can draw or text or put pictures in it. We can do editing also. Whatever is required we can do in a very beautiful way. We can present our things in a very beautiful way. That is electronic presentation. Now the storage capacity of the computer is very large. It stores a large amount of information that we put in the CPU. It is processed over there to give an output. Multitasking. While playing games, you can do different work also, other work also on computer, and you can listen to the music too. Now automation. The computer does the work in an automatic way without making errors. Now disadvantages of computer. There are many disadvantages of computer. The computer cannot take decision by their own. They work according to what we give orders. The computer always works on the human orders and they can't take their own decision. Health. If we are working on computer for a long time, it affects our health. It affects our physical growth. It affects our eyesight, etc. Now virus attacks. Virus attacks can be done in computer. Your computer system is prone to virus. It could be attacked by virus and will not function as you want. Moreover, the computers are very costly and the impact on the environment is also not good. It generates electricity. We all know that computer works with the help of electricity, and when it generates electricity, to generate electricity, lot of fuel is used and it causes pollution. Sometimes it is affected by cybercrime also. When we work with the help of internet, the number of crimes increases, like stealing of data, banking frauds, etc. It all increases. So dear children, I have taught lesson 1 today, and with the help of your book, you will go through your book line by line, go through it, and after that you will find all the answers over there, and you see page number 13, 14, and in page number 13, 14, fill in the blanks, true, false, tick the correct answer and answer the following questions are there. You try to solve these questions. The objectives you will have to do in copy, the fill in the blanks, true, false, and tick the correct answer. You will have to do it in copy, and the paste the picture of computer in your copy. Thank you.